Hi, a quick update from Diamon-Fusion International as to what's been taking place here the last couple of weeks. We have implemented a lot of new safety and cleaning protocols. We're actually all working remotely except myself and a couple other folks who are rotating shifts. I actually won't be back in the office till the middle of next week. And we're doing everything we can to make sure our employees and their families are well taken care of during this time. It is also important for our customers to know that we are here, we are open, and we're doing business as usual regarding the shipment of timely orders. Also, I've seen some great things come out of the glass industry recently. I've seen some awesome podcasts. I've seen some great webinars, and I really love all the social media. It's a phenomenal way to connect. Keep doing what you're doing because you're making yourself heard and you're staying relevant during this time. Also want to let everybody know that we are taking this one day at a time. We are doing our best and we're here to help you. So thank you, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves.